Hi, and welcome to this episode of Tanklogix Portal Help. In this tutorial, we examine the company-supplied Leases-Wells 4.0 page. As the page opens, we see two panels, lease-well information and operator information. Let's begin with lease-well information. This panel is where you can create a new lease by filling out the text boxes. Note that some of the forms have an asterisk next to them. This asterisk means it is required information. If it doesn't have this asterisk, for example by well number, then filling it out is not required. An important distinction we should note is that unlike the other forms, operator ID and operator name are read-only. They are filled out by selecting a radio button in the operator information panel. Let's explain the operator information panel and demonstrate. This panel contains a list of all the operators in the Texas RRC. Because of the large amount of operators, there is a list of only 50 showing here at the outset. These text boxes here act as a filter to search and find the specific operator you desire to use for your lease well. As you can see, I can filter by either operator ID or name. As I key in my search in the operator ID, you'll notice this pop-up indicating that I need to key in a minimum of 3 digits. This will help refine my search. Perhaps you'd prefer to use the operator name search. Let's say I have a specific one in mind, so I'll search JJ, and up comes the operator I'm looking for. Now, as I click on JJ, you can see it automatically populate those read-only fields in the Lease-Well information panel. I will now click the green Create Lease button, and we can see it pop up in the grid. Leases cannot be duplicated. To show this, I will attempt to create the same lease. As I click Create Lease, you can see that it won't let me. Now I'll try to create a duplicate by performing an inline edit in the grid. If the lease number, RRC district, oil gas option, and well number are all the same, it is considered a duplicate. All 4 can't be identical. If one is different, that is fine. But the thing that determines whether a lease well is a duplicate is if all 4 of those are the same. So I'll attempt to duplicate one, and you can see that it rejects it. Links along the top of the operator panel are information and links to various pages on the Texas RRC website. This first link is a list of the current oil and gas lease districts in Texas. This is the Texas RRC wellbore query, which is updated frequently. This link will allow you to search on the RRC site for any leases or drilling permits that are not currently showing in the portal, since the portal only receives a once per month update, typically during the first week of every month. The Texas drill permits is also a searchable way to view any drilling permits that have not yet become leases, but whose numbers may be used in the ticket management process. To finish, we will assign the lease we just created to an existing ticket. First, we will go to Ticket Transactions and select TL Demo Site 102. We will then go to the lease well search. After finding our lease, we will click on this checkbox here, which will replace the values to any ticket I select in the grid below with the ones on our new lease. Let's change the begin ticket start date, and I will select this first ticket and click Save Selected Rows, and we have now successfully assigned our new lease to a ticket. That will wrap up this tutorial. We hope this helps. Thank you for watching.